In this video, I'll show you how to hide the number of posts on your Facebook page and explain what's possible. Before we begin, it's important to know that Facebook does not currently provide a setting to hide the total number of posts displayed on a Facebook page. Visitors who can view your page can generally see your published posts and the total amount of visible content. While you can't hide the post count, you can control the visibility of individual posts. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Find the post you want to manage and tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the post. Depending on your page and app version, you may see options to delete, move to archive, or manage the post in Activity Log. You can also review your page settings or professional dashboard to manage published content and adjust your page's visibility where available. Keep in mind that these options affect individual posts, not the total number of posts shown on your page. If you're looking to create a cleaner page, consider archiving or deleting older posts that are no longer relevant. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.